Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to share location on Android. Now the first thing you have to do is open Google Maps. Now from here tap on this profile icon, then tap on location sharing. From here tap on share location. Now from here you can share your real-time location. Here you can see two options of location sharing. You can share your location for 1 hour, and if you select this, then you can share your location until you turn this off. You can also customize your location sharing time from here. And from here you can share this location to Messenger, Telegram, Gmail, contacts, and also anywhere. If I select WhatsApp, then tap on share. From here select the contact that you want to share your location. If I select this and then tap on this icon, from here tap on this send icon, and it's done. And that is how you can share location on Android. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.